everyone! Today we're going to Rainforest at 1utama shopping center. A specially conceived area that features koi ponds, suspension bridge, and lush foliage. Relax in a calm setting replete with freshwater fish swimming in an expansive aquarium. Taking time to appreciate Mother Nature, Rainforest gives new meaning to al fresco dining in a mall with a great selection of cafes and restaurants surrounding the zone. There is a lot of tropical plants with real forest trees and flowering plants in the rainforest garden. This is a waterfall where water flows from an upper floor to the lower pond below. Can see the carps in the upper deck and also in the pond. The plants are properly labeled and enhances the look of this tropical landscape. This shows a man-made cascading waterfall with fern growing around it. The rainforest gives visitors a chance to learn, appreciate, and experience nature in tranquil surroundings. These are koi fishes swimming happily in the clear water that stretches along the carved walkway into the mall. Fish food is available for sale at a counter nearby, so you can have a fun feeding the colorful koi fishes in the pond. There are also a variety of other freshwater fishes housed in a giant aquarium for public viewing. There are signboards with information about the fishes in front of the aquarium. Tropical fish are generally those fish found in aquatic tropical environments around the world. Fish keepers often keep tropical fish in freshwater and saltwater aquariums. The term tropical fish is not a taxonomic group, but rather it's a general term for fish found in such environments, particularly those kept in aquariums. Taking time to appreciate Mother Nature over a couple has never been better. The That's all for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you on my next vlog. Thank you! Bye!